Sam and Singh, this one. Okay. So now what we are going to see is Sam and Singh. Okay. So so far what we have Sam and Singh, this one.
Spam and Sting. Okay.
Okay. What we have seen what SAP kernel is, how to do the kernel upgrade in a Linux system. You guys are aware of it now. Okay. Now there is another thing called Sam and Sing. These are again another tool used to upgrade the components. Okay. This is kernel upgrade and this is component upgrade. Component upgrade is the sense, say for example, one of the customers is coming and say that I don't want this version. I need to upgrade to the next level of version. This SAP BW or S4ND, this component is currently in 103 SP level 2, but I want to go to level 4, SP level 4. Okay, or specifically he can mention this ST API component should be go to the next level. This administrative component should go to the next level. Okay, so how to do this thing? Okay, so if at all if he mentioned to specifically upgrade a particular component, or say for example if he wants to install a new component, how to do it? Okay, so there comes the concept or the terminology called Sam and Sing. Okay, Sam is used to upgrade existing components. Okay, Saint is used to install and upgrade.
Component here means upgrading the levels.
Yes, upgrading the level. Upgrade used to upgrade the existing components level. Very good. I should put it in a component level. Okay.
Okay.
This is the main difference. Okay. So again, which component? If he says the component, you go and download in the service marketplace. Okay, go to downloads. Say for example, if he says SAP ABAP or STPA component means you have to go to the download. You have to type STPA version.
And Arun, what exactly the components?
Okay, the component are packages, small packages that are installed that will come along with the installation. Okay, those packages will have their own functionality. Okay, say for example, as I said, the T code, right?
Yes.
We saw last week we saw some T codes, right? For basis related T codes, SM50, SMMS, or whatever the basis related T codes are available in the component, SAP basis component. Okay. Similarly, SAP ABAP relevant, that is the code development related T codes or the programs are all packed together and they will come along the component SAP ABAP. Similarly, SAP UI is relevant to some UI component or UI related stuff. Okay, human resources HR, you can see HR, right? SAP HR component which contains the HR related stuff like employee details, employee related programs or employee related T codes and all those things. So those are all the components that will come along with the installation. Okay. Similarly, you can also upgrade, you can install a new component as well. That is also possible. It's not only human resource component. If you say, for example, CRM component, you can download the CRM component, and if it is compatible, we can install it over here using a Saint. This one, right? S8. Or you can upgrade the HANA version, HR version from 608, 65 to 67 or 68 or whatever it is. Those package level or the component level upgrade will